Alright guys, I got another quick unboxing for you. I call it an unboxing, but there's no box. I got gifted a mystery box from Alpha Outpost. I think they're currently going for like $16 or $13 if you remember, and it's literally a mystery box that they send you. So you don't really know what you're going to get in there. So I just got it. It came in a plastic bag, so it was in a black plastic bag above this. So I'm going to open it. This is what came in here. So we're going to take this out. I haven't taken it out yet. So we got a messenger bag, I'd call this. And I think they did unboxing videos on this bag. I think they call it the Hermes. I'll adjust my camera real quick. Front and back. Let me see what else might have came in this bag. So I got a keychain and a patch, and that'd be the Hermes patch. And then there is a booklet, and a sticker, an Alpha Outpost sticker, and then a booklet labeled Hermes. So yeah, this is, I think what they did is they sent the Hermes a box out, which it's a keychain, a tag, and then the bag. And then I guess they try to show you in this cartoon the features of the bag. I have looked it up before. So you have, let me grab my camera. So you have this bag, and it does have a few little pouches here. You got the front pouch. And you got the inside pouches, and it does have a slight amount of padding in here. You can put keys and flashlights and whatnot in here. Maybe some knives. Yeah, bear with me because this is a big bag and I'm trying to video. Yeah, so it is just a padded bag. Maybe carry your own weapons or maybe a small laptop. I do know that in the comic they say that this bag back here is for concealed carry, and it is a padded section in the back. But yeah, so that's the $13 or the $16 mystery box. It came with the Hermes bag. It came with a keychain, carabiner on it. It came with Alpha Outpost sticker, and it came with a Hermes PVC tag. And then this one I think is removable. Yeah, you can remove the Alpha Outpost and then switch it with that. And there you go. This bag is made by Grunt Style. Anyways, it seems like a good bag, a good messenger bag for somebody who likes to wear these saddle bags. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing of the mystery boxes that they're selling right now. This is what I got in mine. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a nice day.